Couple is another important concept that needs to be understood in the chapter of force. It's very easy. All that you need to know is the definition and then the formula. Couple means two equal and opposite parallel forces which are not acting along the same line are called a couple. Couple, as the name suggests, it means two. There are two forces, but these two forces are in a certain condition. How are they? They are equal forces. That means unequal forces does not constitute a couple. Only equal forces constitute a couple. They are opposite forces. That means one force is acting in this direction, the other force is acting in this direction. So these two forces are called couple. If they are acting in the same line, then they are not called couple. So they are two equal, opposite, and then parallel forces. So these are if it is a body, and then if it is one force and if it is another force, so these two forces will not constitute a couple because they are not parallel forces. And they should not be acting along the same line also. For example, if I take this body and if a force is acting in this direction and if it is acting along the same line but it is in the opposite, parallel but acting along the same line, that also does not constitute couple. Because at the heart of the definition of the couple, there should be a rotational motion. If there is no rotational motion, then there cannot be couple. The forces cannot be called couple. So it is very important to know the definition. Definition may not come, but we cannot rule it out. But usually the couple means two forces which are equal, opposite, parallel, but not acting along the same line. There are four: equal, opposite, parallel, and then not acting along the same line. These four terms must be there. If you miss out even a single point, then the definition is going to be wrong. What are the examples? Do we see couple in our everyday life? Yes, of course. For example, while turning a tap. All that I do is I will turn. So this end of the tap will be applied a force in one direction, the other will be applied a force in another direction. So that's a couple. Similarly, tightening a cap, even the turning a key. So all of them are examples of couple. So what is the moment of a couple mean? The moment of a couple on the similar lines of the moment of a force is a measure of the turning effect that is produced by a couple now. Earlier it is the measure of a turning effect produced by a force is called the moment of a force. Now the turning effect produced by a couple is called moment of a couple. It is given by force into couple arm. What is the couple arm? Let's take this body which is being acted upon by two forces, one on this side, one on the other side, and then the distance between the two forces is called a couple arm. So my moment of a couple is equal to either the force I can take and then distance between the two forces, that is the couple arm. So F multiplied by couple arm is called the moment of couple. So if I want to increase the turning effect, I should either increase the force or I should increase the couple arm. As you have realized it by now, the SI unit of moment of couple is same as Newton meters, because force is measured in newtons, couple arm, that is the distance, is measured